In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings. Now scroll down to click on Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and this time choose Privacy section over here. Now it's time to select Permission Manager and decide which option you wish to manage. I will go with Calendar, so I have to click here and pick one of my apps under one of those categories, allowed or not allowed. Let's go with Facebook from not allowed one. Now decide which option will be the best one for you and click on it. In this case, allow or don't allow. So when I tap and go back, I can set Facebook just gained access to my device's calendar. But you can also select any feature. Click on an app you wish to manage and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!